Hi, we're students at Parkview.
And we went to Fashion-Enter.
A few weeks ago, students from Parkview went to visit Fashion-Enter, which is a company that helps to promote eco-friendly practices into the fashion industry, as well as educating young people and teaching people about fashion. When we were there, we learned about what they do to make them so eco-friendly, and about what they're continuing to do to try and bring that to the forefront of fashion.
On my visit to Fashion-Enter, I learned that they're eco-friendly and have sustainable materials. I also learned that they have a machine which can precisely cut how much material they need to minimise waste.
I think Fashion-Enter is one of the most eco-friendly companies in London, purely due to the fact that they cut out precise amounts of materials so that they can reduce waste. Due to the fact that the clothes are in really good condition and good quality, the price of the clothes can be a bit expensive, so some people might not be able to afford it.
And during my trip to Fashion-Enter, we were able to visit their second building, where we saw various machines which they use to make their fashion. One of these machines that interested me was the machine which they use to print patterns onto fabrics. This makes them able to print pictures onto various garments such as hats or t-shirts. We saw many examples of this, such as band t-shirts or t-shirts for shows. But one thing which really interests me was a special technique which they used where they layered ink so that it would make a 3D effect, which made it look really cool.
Did you actually know that 1,800 gallons of water are used daily to make a single pair of jeans?
Wow, that's catastrophic.
However, Fashion-Enter are researching ways to prevent water waste.
Oh yeah, I've heard of that. They're using new sustainable machines to help reduce water.
How wonderful. Other companies should use Fashion-Enter tactics too.
And one thing that we thought was really amazing
were the incredible and impressive machines.
We thought about how amazing it was
For Fashion-Enter to invest in these machines and how it helps the company produce
eco-friendly fashion.